In this video, we'll learn how you can show special Unicode characters in Notepad++, like a pound symbol that I just showed here. Now, sometimes you open a file and you might see question mark for these Unicode characters. And the reason for that is the encoding is wrong. And so we'll learn about that today. So first of all, in order to show a special Unicode characters, you need to make sure that your encoding for the file is correct. So the way in which you can check is if you go to encoding, it should be UTF-8 and then it'll show these symbols correctly. Right? Now let's say you want to add a new special character in Notepad++. So for that you have to go to run command and then let's click on run. Let's just type Char Map. So this basically opens Windows character map utility, and so instead of clicking running, in fact let's click run, and you can see that it actually opened the character map for Windows. And so from here you can use your special characters and then insert them into Notepad++. But we want to make it more permanent, and so let's close that. We'll go to run again, go to run, and then it's already there, Char Map. And so let's save this as just giving a name. So I'm going to type and then Char Map. And the reason why I'm pressing and here is that I want to use an accelerator key, and you will know what I'm talking about in just a bit. But basically we want to create a quick shortcut for us to bring this character map without clicking 3 or 4 clicks at a time, right? Let's give it a shortcut. So maybe Control Alt and let's do R. Okay, so it's already there, so maybe Control Shift or Alt Shift R, right? So Alt Shift R is our shortcut for character map. So click OK, save. Oops, it's already saved, so click cancel. And if we go to run command, you should see right here, so Alt Shift R would bring our character map. So now let's try Alt Shift R, and you can see now the character map is shown here. So I can pick a special character here, click select, copy, and then paste it here, right? So again, Alt Shift R, and then let's try something else. So maybe this, select, copy, and so you can see that you can enter and use different character maps and then copy them and then pasted that into Notepad++. Now earlier on I also added and C, and so if you don't want to remember your shortcut, you can press Alt and C. When I press Alt, it already shows where does it want to go. So Alt R, the line below that shows me that particular menu, and then again we see this C right there, right? So what is saying this is called accelerator key. And so in order to open this character map, I can just press Alt R C, and that also opens the character map, right? So let's try another one. Maybe something in fact here you have all the options. You can also open like a Greek characters and all kind of options available here. And so let's just go and try something. Let's see what this is, right? So this is how you can show any special Unicode characters in Notepad++. Now again, as I said, make sure that your encoding is set to right, otherwise it may not show the character properly. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please click on the like button, and if you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel and check out more videos on Notepad++. Thank you. Bye.